In the previous lecture, we learned about generic name and specific epithet. Now let me ask you a question. Why does every scientific name have two words instead of just one? The answer is a binomial nomenclature. Today we will understand what binomial nomenclature is, who introduced it, and rules of writing scientific names. Binomial nomenclature is a system of naming organism using two words. The word bi means two and nomial means name. So binomial nomenclature is a scientific system in which every organism is given a two-word scientific name. This system gives every organism a healthy and universally accepted identity, making scientific communication accurate throughout the world. Proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. This system was proposed by the famous Swedish scientist Carolus Linnaeus, who is known as father of taxonomy. His system is still followed by scientists all over the world because it provides a simple and standardized method of naming organisms. It has two components. First one is a generic name. The first word of the scientific name is called a generic name. It represents the genus and always begins with a capital letter. Second one, specific epithet. The second word is called a specific epithet. It represents the species and always begins with a small letter. For example, let us take the example Mangifera indica. Here, Mangifera is a generic name or genus, and indica is a specific epithet or species. Together, these two words form the complete scientific name of the mango plant. Rules of a binomial nomenclature. First, scientific names are Latin or Latinized. Scientific names are written in a Latin or Latinized form because Latin is a universal scientific language and its meaning remains stable over time. Second, printed in italics. When the scientific names are printed in books or journals, they must always be written in italics. Third, if handwritten, both words are underlined separately. When writing by hand, italics cannot be used, therefore, each word is underlined separately. Generic name starts with a capital letter. Always remember the generic name begins with a capital letter. Example Mangifera. Specific epithet starts with a small letter. The specific epithet always begins with a small letter. Example indica. Author's name is written after the scientific name in abbreviated form. After the scientific name, the name of the scientist who first described the species is written in an abbreviated form. For example, Mangifera indica Linnan. Here Linnan stands for Carolus Linnaeus, indicating that he first validly described this species. To conclude, binomial nomenclature is the universal accepted system of giving every organism two-word scientific name. Proposed by Carolus Linnaeus, is the system uses a generic name and a specific epithet and follows internationally accepted rules for writing scientific names. It ensures that every organism has unique and universally recognized identity. Thank you.